there folks, it's Chet from Tag Along with Chet. Now I know you folks saw my video yesterday of all the snow that we had and that blizzard that went through here. Well, this is the following day. I just want to show you that, hey, listen, living in Alberta isn't that bad. I just popped into the airport here, and I'm just going to show you what the roads are like, and they're gravel roads at the airport. So hang on. I just entered the airport, and I'm heading to the hangar. So we'll see what it looks like. Okay, this is the main road that goes to the terminal building. And then we hang a right here on what's known as Buffalo Avenue, I think, according to Google. And there's my hangar on the right-hand side. Not a bit of snow on this gravel road. And then we're going to hang a right in the driveway here for my hangar. Okay, I'm out of the car. Okay, this is the front of the hangar. Okay, there we go. That's the front of the hangar. There's not a bit of snow on the front at all. And if you pan this way and look down the taxi strip, there's nothing on it. Little pieces of snow here and there, but nothing significant. So if I go to the runway, it'll probably be exactly the same because the roads are exactly like this. The roads are all bare and dry, and this is less than 24 hours after the storm hit. So yeah, it looked bad. It looked really bad, but as far as snow accumulation goes, it wasn't that bad. Most of it all blew away. And when you get a wind like that gusting to 40, 50 knots from the northwest, this is typically what happens. It's bad for one day, and then the next day it's nice and clear, and actually it's good enough to go flying. Now, I don't know if I'm going to go flying today. I got a few things lined up at home yet that I have to do, so we'll see. Anyway, I just thought I'd bring this update for you, what it's like in southern Alberta, and all this stuff is moving into Saskatchewan, our neighboring province to the east, and then eventually Manitoba and so forth, northern Ontario, so you're welcome to it. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Just a brief update. We'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.